Welcome back to Pratik Academy. In this video, we will study theorem of areas of similar triangles from chapter similarity. So first, what is its statement? It states that when two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles is equal to ratio of squares of their corresponding sides. So this is the statement. According to statement, let's find out its given part. So what is given? Two triangles are similar. Okay, here given two triangles are similar. So let's draw two triangles here first. This is the first triangle and similar to this triangle, second triangle. So triangle A, B, C, P, Q, R. What is given? These two triangles are similar. It is triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Now we will consider BC as a base, and for height purpose we will draw perpendicular here. So AD is perpendicular to BC, and here PS is perpendicular to QR. AD is perpendicular to BC, PS is perpendicular to QR. This is given part. Now what is to prove? The ratio of areas of those triangles. We have to prove that ratios of areas, that is area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR, this ratio is equal to ratio of squares of corresponding sides. So ratio of corresponding side here is, if you take AB, then corresponding side is PQ and its square, or if you take AC, then corresponding side is PR, its square again, or if you take BC, then corresponding side is QC, its square. So this is the to prove part. Okay, so for that purpose we will write proof here. Okay, we know that a ratio of areas of two triangles is equal to, if we take area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR, this is equal to ratio of product of height into base of two triangles, that is H1 into B1 upon H2 into B2. Okay, now what will happen here? Then area of triangle ABC to area of triangle PQR is equal to, what is height? H1, this is AD, base is BC, here PS and QR. So it will become AD into BC upon PS into QR. Call this as equation 1. Okay. Now consider two triangles, triangle ADB and triangle PSQ. Triangle ADB and triangle PSQ. तर जर दोन ट्रायंगल पाहिले the angle D is congruent to angle C because both are 90 degree. Angle ATB congruent to angle PSQ because both are 90 degree. ठीक है. Then if you consider angle B, then it will be congruent to Q because given that ABC is congruent to PQR, therefore corresponding angles must be congruent. Therefore we can write angle ABD is congruent to angle PQS because they are corresponding angles of similar triangles. Which are similar triangles? Triangle ABC congruent to triangle PQR. Okay. From this you can write triangle ADB is similar to triangle PSQ. By which test? By AA test. Now we know that if triangles are similar, then ratio of corresponding sides are same. Therefore AB upon PQ is equal to here AD upon PS. Okay, because they are corresponding sides of similar triangles. Okay, corresponding sides of similar triangles. Now put this value AD upon PS in equation 1. Call this as equation 2. Put equation 2 in 1. What will you get? Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. This ratio will be equal to AB upon PQ into BC upon QR. Call this as equation 3. Okay, now what will happen? Consider, or we know that what is given, triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Therefore ratio of corresponding sides, that is AB upon PQ, is equal to AC upon PR is equal to BC upon QC. Therefore in case of AB upon PQ, here we can replace this ratio AB upon PQ by BC upon QR. Therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, that will become BC upon QR into BC upon QR. That is, it is coming BC square upon QR square. In similar way we can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to as AB upon PQ bracket square, or you can also write AC upon QR, AC upon corresponding side is PR, its square, or you can also write BC upon QR square, and this is our required answer. Okay, so let's revise in short. Given theorem is that when two triangles are similar, then ratios of their areas is equal to ratio of squares of corresponding sides. Okay. For that purpose, first we use our theorem or property, that is ratios of two areas of triangles is equal to ratio of product of height into base. Okay, so here our ratio becomes AD into BC upon PS into QR. Then we have taken two triangles here, ADB and PSQ. We show these two triangles as similar by AA test, and from this we get corresponding sides. Ratio of corresponding sides, AB upon PQ is equal to AD upon PS. So we have replaced here AD upon PS by AB upon PQ. AB upon PQ ने replace केले. Then this is given to us. ABC is similar to triangle PQR. So this ratio is corresponding sides of similar triangle. And then we have replaced AC upon PQ, AB upon PQ by BC upon QR. So BC upon QR, BC into BC, BC square upon QR square. And in similar way for remaining ratios you can write. So this is the theorem of areas of similar triangle. If you have any doubt, you can contact to us on our number provided. If you like this video, please subscribe our channel and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.